June 2019 in law subject with 99.17 percentile. As for law subject, the NET syllabus is vast and one needs to have a right approach while preparing if he wants to crack the exam with a good percentile. Eduncle is a platform which provided me with good quality study material covering all the important topics of the syllabus. The practice sets and the mock tests are so designed to match the difficulty level of the NET exam. Its 24/7 query support services helped me to clear my doubts by discussing it with highly qualified mentors. I recommend Eduncle to all the NET aspirants because its mentorship services are one of its kind. It will help you in devising a step-by-step strategy to crack the exam. Eduncle is definitely a smart choice to make if you want to qualify UGC NET. So go for it.